Well. How are you doing, guys? It's Kev, and today we're going to talk about the trading experience once again, okay? So, as tumefika jana, it's been around 6 months. 6 months sober, and thank God for that, because I know what addiction can do to you. So, this is my new addiction. Anyway, so this is another series, the trading experience series, and welcome to my experience as a trader. Okay, so this is a step-by-step journey of how I started trading forex, and I recall very well, it was like, I can't recall the day exactly, but it was on 2021. So it was around 2021, and I was expecting my first kid, okay? And I was like, I'm in this fucking country that doesn't value anybody's sweat, and I don't want these kids to come and live the same life that we've grown encountering, okay? And I was like, okay, what should I do? By then I was in, let's say, academic writing and doing just some online businesses there, here and there, and I decided like, okay, it's high time like I choose these high paying skills, okay? And I settled for forex. I was just sleeping there, and I was like, my thoughts were just racing like 1,000 kilometers per hour, and I was like, okay, I should try something, right? So I told myself like I should try something, like I can try anything. Like I see people doing in online, like drop shipping and stuff, marketing. And as I was scrolling, I saw Swaggy C, and I was like, who is this guy? He's so rich, and he's saying like he's a dropout, and what is he doing? Okay, that video was going something like this. Like 5 years ago I dropped out of school, and right now I'm a multi-millionaire trading forex. Oh, I was like, I'm starting trading forex now, okay? I didn't know where to start. I didn't know who to go to, okay? So I was all around seeking for help, like online, searching for YouTube videos. That time Swaggy C's course was, you had to pay for that course for you to be enrolled into the forex thing, okay? And tunajua sisi wote ni ngumu sana, as in kama wewe ni beginner and you want to start forex trading. So tunajua, like people say like forex is scam, okay? But is it really a scam? Just pause for a moment and ask yourself, is forex really a scam, okay? Because kama hujajaribu kitu, you shouldn't be saying that forex is a scam, and yet you know very well that you haven't tried, okay? So there's people who are making money trading forex, okay? But not everyone. Don't confuse me. I mean, don't get me wrong, okay? Don't get me wrong. There are people who are making money trading forex, but not so many people are making money trading forex. Most people are influencers, okay? Like right now, I'm an influencer pia. Influencer, ukiniona hapa mimi influencer pia forex, but I also trade, okay? But ask yourself, hawa wase wote nacheki huku, are they really trading, ama ni just influencers with money and trying to get more money influencing about forex industry, okay? Because they'll influence and they will sell their courses because that's the business they are in. It's not wrong. Tuache hiyo fala ya watu kufanya ati like kukua influencers ni mbaya. It's business. Kama tu forex, it's just business, okay? So as I was telling you, I met Swaggy like online, niko like, huyu jamaa anafanya nini? Like huyu jamaa ana make millions. So ikuri ni forex anafanya, like anafanyaje hii shit? Like ako kwa screens tu, like ana make dough. So nilikuwa curious kujua like about whole thing, Kenya anafanya, Kenya ana do. And kama kuanza my journey, and I started kwa the trading bible. Najua kama ni trader unajua about this. It's the trading bible. It's Japanese candlesticks. I started there. After that nika graduate to babypips.com. It wasn't easy bro, it wasn't easy man. Like unasoma baby pips, unaenda unasoma babypips.com, unaenda unasoma candlestick bible, powerful market structure, afu unarudi wapi? Unarudi kwa charts. You just try to implement those. Unajaribu okay, so nimesoma this, acha ni implement sasa. I was like yeah, I'm here, I'm seeing a doji bro, I'm seeing a doji, I'm selling, then it start buying. Niko like this, wamesema tukiona hivi inaenda juu na tukiona hivi inaenda chini, mbona ifanye hivyo? So disappointments zikaanza bro, disappointments zilianza hapo man. You like I want this shit to work because I want financial freedom, na bado it doesn't make sense. Hainimeki sense at all. Okay, so I was like man, will I ever make in this shit? So I was like, hey man, this shit ni hard. So I guess you shouldn't rush yourself, and that's the first mistake that I did, rushing myself, as in rush the steps that I was supposed to take to become a profitable trader. Okay, and becoming a profitable trader is another thing by itself. Okay, it's another thing by itself. You can be profitable but not consistent. Okay, because a profitable trader takes losses. Okay, but if you're consistent with your profits, that's the aim. Okay, to become a consistent profitable trader. Okay, yeah, to get to that point, you have to sacrifice a lot. You have to your state of mind have to align with the market, and not so many people have gotten to that point that where their state of mind is aligned to the forex market. Okay, right now I'm working on myself. Like I want to be consistently profitable. Yeah, I'm seeing profits here and there. I'm getting to some few dollars in, I'm coming out with a few dollars. But we came to this business for for major goals. Okay, we want to hit big numbers, and that's what we are aiming for. To hit those big numbers, you have to follow your rules rigidly, and you don't have to be like, I don't have anything against the flippers, by the way. Those people who go into the market, open huge positions, like over leverage, I don't have any problem with that. Those people, I respect their business, how they do business, but myself, I prefer risking a small percentage of my equity a small percent of my equity on each trade. Okay, so let's go back to our story. So once I started the market structure and the what's it called, the babypips.com course, I graduated to what was it? Let me remember. It was called Beat the Market Maker. Yeah, Beat the Market Maker. Man, that was the course that opened my eyes. Trust me. Beat the Market Maker was the course that opened my eyes in everything that I do. Because I'm not trading BTMM right now, but it was an eye opener. Trust me. Like Steve Mauro gives the best. How do I say it? He gives the best reality of the markets. Okay, he tells us that there are people behind the markets, and they are hitting our stop losses. Okay, and if you look closely, these people hunt your stops. Okay, they hunt your stop losses, and whichever place you place your stop loss, that's the place they're interested in. Okay, so it's good to understand how these courses integrate and form. How they integrate and how their understanding of the market. Okay, because Steve Mauro was an eye opener, and his course, it was like ilikuwa kama how will I put it? manze, najaribu vile nitaiframe na inakuwa noma, but ilikuwa kama a welcoming party to the ICT mentorship, because ICT ana explain in depth how these markets are manipulated, and Steve Mauro tells us that the markets are manipulated in a certain way where they go for your stop losses. Okay, when you look at these two courses, there's something in common. Okay, that's why I don't blame any type of trader. If you are a BTMM trader, if you are a SMC trader, if you are a supply and demand trader, if you are an ICT trader, if you are support and resistance. Okay, I beef with support and resistance because those guys, they are mostly on the wrong, but some people make money with it, but most times they are on the wrong. It's not a minute. So that's how by the way, BTMM I made a good amount of the money. Okay, with BTMM I managed to flip my $100 to $1,000. That was the time that I saw man, let me flip 10,000 to 120,000 within 1 week, bro. And nilikuwa kama caretaker, I was being paid 10,000 a month. You can imagine, from being paid 10,000 Kenya shillings a month to flipping your 10,000 Kenya shillings to 120,000 in 1 week. Bro, that's when I realized that K will be the trader that I'm thinking of. Okay, and kajua from now on mimi ni trader. Okay, I didn't expect that I'll be losing that same amount in the near future, because I lost almost half of the amount. Okay, but those are lessons. I take those setbacks as lessons that makes me the better person that I'm aiming to become. Okay, and you shouldn't be beating yourself about those losses or something. No, don't beat yourself. It's part of the game. Okay, so I'll stop for there. I don't want to make these videos long because I know your attention span is so tiny. Not yours alone, mine too. So, by the way, I'm back in. You'll be hearing from me again and again. I have series moto here coming out. And until next time, I'll come with a full story. Peace.